Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python Full Course, Lecture 1, Variables and Data Types. Welcome to the first lecture of our Python Full Course. In this lecture, we will cover the fundamental concepts of variables and data types in Python. Understanding these concepts is crucial as they form the foundation for programming in Python. What is a variable? A variable in Python is a name that refers to a value. It is a way to store information that can be used and manipulated in your code. You can think of a variable as a container that holds data. Creating variables. In Python, you can create a variable by simply assigning a value to a name using the assignment operator, equals. Example asterisk. Python. Creating variables. Name equals Alice. Age equals 30. Is underscore student equals true. Printing variables. Print, name, output, Alice. Print, age, output, 30. Print, is underscore student, output, true. Data types. Python has several built-in data types. Understanding these types helps you know how to use and manipulate data effectively. Here are the most common data types in Python. 1 integer, int, whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimals. 2 floating point, float, numbers that contain a decimal point. 3 string, str, a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. 4 boolean, bool, represents true or false. 5 list, an ordered collection of items, can be of different data types. 6 tuple, an ordered, immutable collection of items. 7 dictionary, dict, a collection of key-value pairs. Basic data types examples. Integer. Python. Integer. Number 1 equals 10. Number 2 equals -5. Print, number 1 plus number 2, output, 5. Float. Python. Float. Price equals 19.99. Discount equals 0.2. Final underscore price equals price, price asterisk discount. Print, final underscore price, output, 15.99. String. Python. String. Greeting equals hello, world. Print, greeting, output, hello, world. Boolean. Python. Boolean. Is underscore raining equals false. Print, is underscore raining, output, false. Data structures examples. List. Python. List. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. Print, fruits 1, output, banana. Tuple. Python. Tuple. Coordinates equals, 10.0, 20.0. Print, coordinates 0, output, 10.0. Dictionary. Python. Dictionary. Person equals. Name, Alice. Age, 30. Is underscore student, true. Print, person name, output, Alice. Type checking. You can check the data type of a variable using the type function. Example asterisk. Python. Type checking. Print, type, number 1, output, class int. Print, type, price, output, class float. Print, type, greeting, output, class str. Print, type, is underscore raining, output, class bool. Print, type, fruits, output, class list. Print, type, coordinates, output, class tuple. Print, type, person, output, class dict. Conclusion. In this lecture, we covered the basics of variables and data types in Python. We learned how to create variables, understand different data types, and perform basic operations. In the next lecture, we will dive deeper into operations, type conversion, and more complex data structures. Happy coding! Homework. 1. Create your own variables of different data types and print them. 2. Create a list of your favorite movies and print one of them. 3. Create a dictionary to store information about your favorite book, title, author, and year published. Print the title. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.